We are starting our day with the word idea, and whatever is coming in your mind with the word idea, you can write here. Or if you have any idea which you want to execute, you can also write about that. What is your relation with the idea? How frequently you execute your idea, or whether you think or you have the idea but you are not able to execute it. So whatever is coming in your mind with the word idea, just write. So blueprint is yes, I did. Next level of idea is blueprint. When you have the idea and you want to achieve that idea, you have a plan for that. Yes, it's a blueprint. Thank you so much, Raj. Something new, innovative, different perspective. Wow, cost reduction, eliminating waste. Yes, yes. This is the reason you are getting, like, you. Whenever you get idea, you also get lot of logic to justify that idea, why this idea is so fantastic, why this idea must have in executed in reality. Right? Thank you so much, Raj. Thank you so much. So we have, when we have the idea, we want to execute it. So is it happened with you? कभी ऐसा हुआ है when you have the idea and fantastic idea, and you are very excited about those idea, but somehow you have not taken any action towards it, and some other people have executed the same, exactly same idea. ऐसा हुआ है कभी आपने सोचा हो और आप सोच ही रहे थे या सोचने पे उतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दिया, और someone else has executed it, someone else has given the result? Yes or no? Yes, Seema is saying yes. Okay. Can you share something about that? Ki you procrastinating, yes, laziness, starting problem, it happens. लेकिन आपने, you haven't taken any action. Tausif is saying also with me. और किसके? Raj is saying yes. You are on the mute. No, I am not on the mute. Am I audible? I hope I am audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Anil, I am not on mute. Yes, thank you. So this is called idea angel. I want to share one of this concept, like this is called idea angel. Okay, sorry, now audible. Okay, nice, thank you. So this is idea is also a kind of frequency, and idea, you don't know from where those ideas are coming, isn't it? You just same thing is happening, like I am talking same word to hear more than 13 people, 12 13 people, but someone will get the trigger of that idea, someone will get that idea, and lot all of you will not get the same idea. सबको सेम ही आइडिया नहीं आएंगे, किसी को कोई वर्ड ऐसा ट्रिगर हो जाएगा, and you will get some idea, okay, how you can go ahead with that. Right, so this is idea angel. This idea angel go to so many people simultaneously at the same time. If you will go to the like scientific discoveries and innovations in the historical scientific discoveries, you will get to know that the same kind of inventions has happened across the world at different places where there was no interaction between them. एक ही टाइम में एक ही तरह का काम यूएस में भी हो रहा था, इंडिया में भी हो रहा था, यूके में भी हो रहा था, अफ्रीका में भी हो रहा था. So the same kind of things is happening in the different part of the world, and there was no interaction at all between them. So it says that the idea angel go to the people who has the potential to execute it. जिनके पास भी potential है, the idea angel always go to that person only. Have you, any of you have the idea to build a rocket, like launch a rocket in the on the moon? किसी के दिमाग में ये आइडिया आता है कि मुझे एक रॉकेट बनाना है और मून पे और सम लाइक जुपिटर पे और मार्स पे भेजना है? Have you got those kind of idea, anyone? इस ग्रुप में से no. Yes, no, we are not getting idea, but Abul Kalam has got that idea.
Yes.
Yes, Because whenever some idea is coming to you or me, only and only because we have the potential to execute it. If you are getting some idea, 100 not 100 is 1000% sure that you have the potential to achieve that idea or execute that idea, then only that idea is coming to us, right? If we are not eligible, अगर हमारे पास वो resources नहीं है या हमारे पास वो potential नहीं है, तो the idea will not come to us. So one thing I want you, all of you, to believe that whatever is coming in your mind, it's coming with a reason. Whatever idea is coming, Raj is saying I conducted a lot of ideation session. Wow, that's fantastic. And you must be seeing that कि कितने different ideas, different लोगों के दिमाग में कितने different ideas होते हैं. I also go to the colleges while conducting the digital marketing session, and when I was giving them the assignment or something to present their digital marketing ideas, and I was surprised to know that कि कॉलेज में तो छोटे छोटे बच्चों के दिमाग इतने फैंटास्टिक आइडियाज आते हैं, but the only thing is we are not taking action on that. I could not find button to Facebook Live to do all the session. Help me with the Facebook Live. Okay, so yesterday I have got a feedback कि ma'am, whatever you are supposed to share, please complete that and then take care of the question. So we are going with that format. So first we will complete that what we are supposed to cover, and then we will take care of the question. Is that fine? And that is a fantastic feedback. I really appreciate that. Once I will complete that what we are supposed to do here, and then last 10-15 minutes we will take care of the question. So please hold your questions. Please keep your question, or you can write your question. I will not going to answer it. I will answer at the end. All right. So here we are coming back to the idea just briefly कि जब idea आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है, that means this we have the potential, then only the idea is coming. What we can do with the idea, take action within 24 hours. Whenever some idea is coming to you, take action within 24 hours. If you have the idea of Facebook Live, go and do Facebook Live within 24 hours. If you have idea of do podcasting, go and do like podcast within 24 hours. Or if you are not able to take the action, let's suppose I have the idea of storytelling and I want to do the podcast and I don't know where to start, at least go and watch video how to do the podcast, how to do the YouTube live, how to do the blogging, how to do the how to start like something. Go and watch related videos. Or even you are not going to watch related video, take a pen and paper and write your ideas. Within 24 hours, write your ideas. Idea has got shelf life of 24 hours, right? So write your ideas, go to the YouTube channel, watch related, like how you can go a little bit closer to the execution of that idea. Go and watch the YouTube videos, or pick up the phone, talk to someone who can help you to execute that idea. किसी से आप बात कर लो who can help you कि okay, this is the way you can get started with it, or this is the way I have started with, or this is the way I have started, but your idea is a little bit different. You should be doing this way. So do something about that. Within 24 hours, do something about that. Right? So is it a deal that whenever some idea will come, you will do something about it within 24 hours? Are you going to make a deal? Are you going to make an intention that whenever some great new different idea will come? Otherwise, what will happen if you will not take action within 24 hours? Idea will come to you again, one time, two time, three time, four time. But if you will not take action on that, the idea will go to some other people who have the potential, because idea cannot wait to be expressed. This is the right time. जब जिस चीज का right time आता है तभी वो idea आते हैं. So idea cannot wait कि if you are not taking the action, then it should not be discovered, or it should not be executed, or it should not be expressed. It will go to some other people who can execute it. So whenever you have some idea, do something about it. Right? Yes or no? at least write what in general I'm not doing it 100%, but what I try, I start writing it. I start writing it. One suggestion: whoever is not taking action on their own idea within 24 hours, otherwise share with the others. Yes, you can share with that idea with others. Things do write it, don't remember it. Things to do, write it, don't remember it. Yes, you are writing it, then whenever you are writing it, every day you something coming to you related to that, right? When you will write once, it will not you will not forget it. Again you will come up with the new things, and again you have to write it. Again you will come up with a new idea, again you have to write it. So then it will become part of you, and you will effortlessly able to execute it. Effortlessly you will be able to execute it, right? So everything is idea, isn't it? I have an idea that I want to conduct a session in the morning. So it's not the one day I was thinking of long back, but one day I have taken the action. Okay, let's distribute, let's write a message, and I distributed at a few places that I am going to conduct the session. So it's an idea. When get executed, then only it's going to give you the result. Having said that, now come to the topic of the day. Let's come to the topic of the day. So here Facebook, we are talking about Facebook. Okay, yesterday we have discussed about lead generation concept. I have asked you to focus on power of one target audience, one lead generation channel, one advertising channel, one product. Execute the power of one. You must have at least two system in place to manage your leads. One you have the lead capture page and thank you page, or kind of a step by step funnel setup, that how you are going to capture those lead. Then you can have a click funnel. If you have multiple pages for these, if you have multiple stages for the funnel, you can use click funnel, or you can simply create a lead capture page on your website or on your email marketing tool. From there you can also capture the lead, and then you must have an email marketing system in place to convert it or get response, to nurture those leads. So this is the steps we have discussed about ClickFunnels, and you may use autoresponder or email marketing tools to automate at least next 5 days or next 10 days automated message to nurture those leads. So when you are sending educational messages, it can be in the ratio of 80-20. 80% of your message should be educational, and 20% of your message can be a promotional, or where you are selling your product and services. So 80% of your content should nurture that, to nurture that people who has given their email ID to you. So there you can take little bit of action. So today we are going to take action. Okay. So this is yesterday we have discussed. Do you remember? How many of you can recall the yesterday session? किसको किसको कल का सेशन याद है? Yes, what we have discussed yesterday. Anyone can, I haven't shared the recording because it was so much of disturbance in yesterday's session. I will share it. That's why I repeated the yesterday session, so that if you have missed, I haven't shared the recording of yesterday. Today we will share the recording. Power of one was the focus. Nice. What else? One idea, one channel, one product, one channel. Yes. Okay, so thank you so much. Today I'm giving you um, two things for the organically, how you can generate the lead on the Facebook, and one way to run the advertisement, one kind of advertisement, and let's say one type of organic. So organic, yesterday we have already discussed about it. The fastest method for lead generation, anyone can recall from yesterday session? कल के सेशन में फास्टेस्ट वे टू जनरेट लीड ऑन फेसबुक? Go live. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Go live. So yes, go live. That is the thank you. Lifelong learner, power of one, Facebook lead generation, call to action, lead page, email marketing setup, ClickFunnels, 14 days free trial. Yes. So go live. If any of you have issue, I'm going to revise that go live part. And one more thing I will discuss here. So how you can go live? Here you can see that go live. Go live. Here you can go live. Yes, very good morning to Sonam. And one more thing I would like to start. Yesterday, I have created a structure for the 1 hour session. In future, tomorrow onwards, I will follow the structure of the for this session, as well as I have also decided that how. Okay, we will discuss in the end of the session. I will discuss that end of the session regarding that what I have done so far. Okay, so you can go to the this live session. Right? Here you will choose that where you want to go live on your timeline. On your timeline, post on the pages you manage. If you want to post on the pages on you manage. So let's suppose I want to post it on Bhavna Bharadwaj. So then you will give the title for your live. Then, okay, let's suppose I'm talking about 5 step, five steps to launch your website in 3 days. Let's suppose you are saying we are talking about 5 steps to launch. Here, when we are going whenever we are going live, one thing you can say that what kind of audience you are addressing. If generally on social media, people are there for the entertainment, not for the education. Yes or no? Majority of the time on Facebook or Instagram, people are there for the entertainment, and they are not focused. They are not there to do the deep learning. So if you are conducting long session, I'm not sure what kind of response we will get. But if you are conducting it for the very dedicated kind of people, it's perfectly fine. But when you are going live for the entire audience or publicly, I would suggest it should be the short one. Yes, time pass, but organized session can be serious audience. So long session, I will not ask you to go and conduct longer live session. It can be 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's not more than that. But if you have the committed people, like we have a Facebook group, and we are conducting session only for the Facebook group or answering questions. There you can go for the longer period of time as well. So so he will write title, and then you will write something about say something about the live video. Okay, are you procrastinating? Are you planning for your brand website? uh, just suggest me any website. Do you want to have your brand website? Do you want to have your brand website and start blogging? Okay, five five step five steps to start. 5 steps I'm trying, like I will go live right now and I will show you. So all the confusion will be 5 steps to launch launch your brand website and start blogging in less than 5 days or less than 3 days. In 3 days, right? So you can what we have, how we have started. You have selected that we are going live. We are going live. We are going live alone. You are going live with others. You can schedule your live event, and on your page you can post it. On your page you can post it. Upcoming live videos and events, you can schedule it. Like you can I can go and plan that every day morning. Right now we are doing Zoom session. We can go for Facebook live on 8 o'clock, right? So you can, that you can design in the upcoming, or you can schedule it, or we can have a live with Seema, or live with Anil, or live with Kisan. So we can also invite other people to go live with, or we can go live solo. So right now I'm going live solo, and this is me. This is your this is the page I have selected, that whenever I will go live, my live video will also posted on my page. So this is the page I have selected. You have selected the page, and then your page must have your admin rights. Whatever page you are posting on live video, your page must have, you must have a admin rights on that page. And then you can write the title, you can write the description, you can cross post on more pages. Let's suppose you are managing more than pages, more than one page I have selected, Bhavna Bhardwaj, one page I can select Digital Seekers, one page. I can also share it in the group. I can also share it in the group. So here I'm selecting this group, Digital Seekers group, right? So when I will go live, it will go live on my profile. The same video will be appearing on my page, or I can show the same video on multiple pages. I can show the same video on multiple groups. I can also add a group to promote. I can add a group to promote, where I will invite people to join my group. So this will be call to action, add a call to action button to promote a group that you manage. So I'm selecting that. Right, so this is the live video link. This is the link I'm going to share everywhere. This is the live video. Rather than sharing the Zoom link, I can share this link to in my WhatsApp, or in my mail, or in my LinkedIn. So I can also share this live link to all. Little bit you can do the advanced setting. So it's age is you can select if you want. I'm going for the public. Allow selected locations. If you are restricting it only for India or only for Noida, so you can also select the location, or restrict location. I don't want to go live in a particular location, so you can also restrict the location. Right now I'm going for all over the places. All right, so here can you see the go live? Whoever is not finding the button, when you will do all those settings, then you will see the option of go live. You will do all these settings, you can go live. Even you can plan for paid live. You can plan for paid live. Paid live means you will sell the ticket for that event, and that event will be visible to only the people who has paid for it. So for that you have to go to the event. For that you have to start creating a new event. When you will set up the event, you have the option for going paid or free. So there you will select the paid event, and you will set up the ticket cost and what are the value additions you are giving. And then that paid event you can integrate as a live. So right now I'm going for only free event. I'm not going for the paid or this event. Right? So far, so good. So far, all well. Yes. So here you can go and integrate more things. You have this dashboard where you can see how many people are coming and going. So stream health, whether internet connection is good or not. All these things here you can go and check that. So you can add some graphics, you can add some poll, you can add some questions, right? So featured link, all these dashboard you can go and explore that. Yeah, by doing it, it will be more clear. So you can see the insights, the number of views, number of reactions, number of clips, comments, shares. What is the end goal? If you want, create a goal for subscribers, followers, and if see all the traffic. I always say that never waste your traffic. Never ever waste your traffic. So here they are giving you. You can have a goal for your subscriber. So let's suppose I'm asking this goal. I have 506 followers. Goal title and custom thing. So, okay. So here you can you can ask what goal you want to achieve. So, five. Let's suppose I'm looking for 1,000 subscriber, right? So 5,000 followers I have already, and I'm looking for 1,000, right? So I'm looking for 1,000 followers, and 506 I have already achieved. So help me to get 1,000 followers, and 506 I have already achieved. So this way you are giving a motivation that more and more people will follow you, because you are going live and you are asking for the help. Never ever hesitate to ask for the help. So if you can ask for that help, you can write something about that, what is the goal title, and you can publish it. Here you can click on publish. Yes, more or less mobile will have the same feature. You will see features at different places. You will see the you have to go and explore the menu in the mobile, but you will have almost same feature on the mobile. So you can set up a goal. You can see all the matrices, all the stats, and right now we have completed the crop. We have selected the group. We have selected the pages. You can also set up a poll. So I'm setting up poll like, do you want to do you have your own brand website? Do you have your own brand website? So you can write option yes, no. If you want to add more, you can add more. Or third option, let's keep it to option only, right? You can click on save. So is it to engage? If you want to engage with them, you can go, you can have a poll as well. You can set up a poll. We have already set up poll, right? Where that poll has gone. Okay, we'll look into that steps. So this is Facebook camera. Can you see that? Then what else? What we can do? We can have a ring light with the right like right lighting and little bit of. Right now this mic is fine, but you can have a collar mic or whatever. It's a little bit of presented. You can make it more lighting wise, sound wise, background wise. You can make it little bit. If you want to experiment with that, you can do also. So here you can manage your video, audio, and then once it is done, you can have few questions. You can go and explore this option. Questions, featured link. You can add questions. So you can add questions. Okay. So yes, what you would like to know? What would you like to know about Personal brand website. Personal brand website, right? So I can add some questions, right? Then you can add a featured link. So here you are promoting the link. So you can add, okay, start your start your website creation in 3 stages, or here you can give your website link, or if you have lead generation click funnel link, you can also share your click funnel link, right? Right now I'm not giving the website. Once it is done, should I go live? Should I go live? Namaskaram. Today we are going to discuss 5 steps to launch your own brand website. 5 steps to launch your own brand website. First step, go buy domain and hosting. Go buy domain and hosting. Link that domain and hosting. You can buy it from the same place, or you can buy it from the different places. So you must have a domain and hosting, then only you can launch your own website. First step, go buy and domain and hosting. Second step, install WordPress in that. It's a free software. You can install it very easily. Majority of the time, you can just from wherever you are buying domain and hosting, they will give you one-click installations. You can just install the WordPress and you are good to go. So first step, go buy domain and hosting. That will cost you hardly like less than 3,000 rupees. Or you are going for the monthly plan, it's less than 99 rupees per month. So I would suggest, the future is of the personal brand. Start building your brand right now. Go buy domain hosting, install WordPress. WordPress is free. It will be free in the future as well. Install theme. So theme is the ready-made website which you can customize without a single line of coding. If you are looking for like if this is the reason you are not started with your personal brand, now please understand, creating your website using theme, you don't require a single line of coding. So even if you are a non-technical person, even if you don't have any coding or programming or IT background, if you can write a mail, if you can write the MS Word, if you can have a MS Word kind of experience, MS Word writing experience, you can add title or something in paragraph or bullet list, you can launch your own brand website as well. So first step, again I'm repeating, first step is domain hosting buying. Second step is install WordPress. Third step is install theme. And fourth step is edit website. Customize that theme as per your requirement. You are customizing it like you can customize the heading or title or images or sidebar or footer or about us pages, contact us pages, privacy policy pages, blog pages, services pages. So you have to customize, you have to edit that page. What you have to make that theme unique to you. Now that theme has a placeholder. In that placeholder, you have to put your content. In that placeholder, you have to put your own images. In that placeholder, you have to write your own link of header and footer. So it's not that tough. Believe me, you can do it very easily. So much of tutorial available on the YouTube and all over the places to how to edit any WordPress website, and it's super duper easy. It should not be stopping you to create your own brand websites. Go ahead and edit the website. And fifth option, bang, yes, launch your website. You can simply launch your website. So this is the 5 website. By launching the website, you can add 2 things. One, to submit your website for the Google, that is Google search console. You can submit your website for the Google crawling, indexing, and ranking, so that your website will start appearing in the Google when someone is searching for your name. And second thing, you can add Google Analytics, so that you can see that what is the user behavior on your website. how you want to, how people are behaving on your website, how what way they are exploring, and what way, what pages they are visiting, how much time they are spending, and how they are interacting with your website. So for that reason, you can add Google Analytics and Google Search Console. So that is the minimum steps you can just follow, and continue with you can continue with your brand website. And if you want my help, I can invite you in, I can help you in that. You can join my group, Digital Seekers group, on WhatsApp or Telegram or Facebook group. You can start following me on Facebook page. Time to time, I will share for the upcoming session where I can handhold you to create and launch your brand website. So I hope this should not stop stopping you and launch your brand website. And you will thank me later after 1 year or 2 year or 3 years if you are continuing that journey with a blogging or knowledge sharing. Nice. आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you so much. Namaskar. See you tomorrow. Bye. Right? So is it tough or easy? Going live, is it tough or easy? Can we go live?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Yes, we have done just 5 minutes video. So I mean to say that it's generally you have feel the fear, do it anyway. This is the only mantra I follow whenever I'm doing new things. It's very simple. Feel the fear, do it anyway. Whenever you will do new things, the fear will come. You to overcome that fear, you have to see that fear. Okay, stay here. I'm with you. I will take care of you. But let me do what I was supposed to do. Let me do what I want to do. डर के नहीं डरने का नहीं, करने का. Exactly. Action is the only antidote of fear. Action is the only antidote of fear. Okay, so now few questions. I think yes, we want this session to be more structured and more like more compact. So I will share today. आज का learning session को हम लोग यहीं पे रखते हैं. I will take care of the few questions so that we can end the session by 9 o'clock. And gradually I will keep announcing the new things in this training. So how I have structured this session for the like 5 minutes of mindset, and then 20-30 minutes of learning, and then 5 minutes for few assignments, and 10 minutes of question answers. So this will, I will try to make this our learning session more structured, that in I want it to be कि कम से कम time में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप काम सीख के जाए. So it should not be 2 hours or 3 hours we are standing here, and I don't want to be like it should be a powerful pill कि एक क्या कहते हैं विटामिन की गोली लिया and you are fully charged for the day. So it should be the compact one. Okay, nice. Thank you. Now take the question. Yes, I will share the structure of the what I have planned. I'm going to just give me 1 second. I'm sharing. Let's take few questions on live. Let's take few questions on live. So here, what I will do, this live is not going to that doing the live is not the end of this. Now you have to do the next step to do the lead generation. एक तो आपने live कर लिया, live करने के बाद you have to go, and what you have to do, how to know someone is live. They will get notification. Okay, they will get notification. I want you कि जो भी आप लाइव पे जाएंगे, लाइव होने के बाद जो लिंक होगा, लाइव का जो वीडियो लिंक होगा, you will copy that video link and you will share that video link in different groups. Let's suppose you have joined 20, I would suggest join 20 groups on Facebook and 20 relevant groups on LinkedIn. This is today's task. आज का आपका task है कि join not 20, even 10 groups. Start with a 10 group. Start relevant 10 group. You can join 10 group. Let's suppose I want to reach out digital marketers. So many people are in the digital marketing, but they haven't launched their personal brand. So let's suppose I want to reach out digital marketer who has not created their personal brand, and I want to help them to creating their first brand website or blogging website. So I will do, I will join the group of digital marketer. So my target audience is digital marketers. So I will join the group of digital marketers. So in the same way, you can join 10 group on Facebook or 10 group and LinkedIn. If you want to go aggressive, yes, I would suggest go and join 20 relevant group where your target audience is very active, very responsive, and the number of group is very high. Go and join 10 group, 20 group on Facebook and 20 group in LinkedIn. Got that? 2020 relevant group join in Facebook and LinkedIn. Yes, ma'am, you showed how to go live from a people from page to group. Can we go live from a group and the page both? Yes, this live get posted in my group as well. I will show you. This will be posted in my group as well, right? So once you have joined the group, once you have joined the Facebook group and LinkedIn group, is it clear? You have gone live, first step. Second step, you are the part of 20 relevant group, second step. And third step, copy this URL, because you have created a content. Right now you have created a content. Now creation is the first step. What is the three step? What is the three steps you have to follow? CAM, yes, create, attract, monetize. So when you have created some content, we have created one video. At end of the live is video. So you have created a video content. Now copy this content, go to all those groups. Let's suppose I have a group of, I will go and find the digital, I want to go for digital community. All these are the different groups. I'm just joining digital. So I will go to the relevant group. I will go to the relevant group, and there I will introduce this video in few text. I want to group. You can go to the group. So this is the group. So all these are the group. Can you see that? Learn digital marketing. How many members? Rocks 20,000 members or 2 lakh members. Upskill. So many groups are there. Digital marketing groups. Brain Pulse. I have worked with this company as well. So I can join 10, 20 groups here. And here I can go to this group. Visit group. And now if I will post this video there, is it a spamming or value addition? Is it a spamming or value addition? It's value addition, right? So we are not spamming the group, rather we are adding the value addition. They won't allow you. If you are going to spam the group, then they will not allow you. If you are adding value, if you are following the rules of the group, you are posting once in a day, and that posting is really useful for the digital marketers. So useful for your target audience. You are answering their burning questions. If you are addressing their pain points, if you are giving them the solution to the pain points, so they are welcoming your post. They are looking forward for your post. They are waiting for your post. They will allow you. Initially, you have to win the trust that you are here to add the value, rather than only consuming, only taking the value, taking the advantage of the group. Right. So you have to be take all the possible precautions. that you should be doing the value additions to the group. Okay. Are you how many of you don't have your personal brand website? How many of you don't have your own personal brand website launched yet? Launched yet, right? Personal brand is the future. Personal brand is the future of digital marketing, of future on digital media, right? I believe, or you can make it more casual. I believe personal brand is the future on digital media. Do you have your personal brand website live? Do you have your personal brand website launched? If not, see, uh, launch it in 5 steps. If not, launch your personal brand website in 5 steps, right? And here you can share the link. Here you can share the live link. जो आपने live किया था, here you can share the live link. Share your thought. Share your thought about how important is your personal brand. Share your thought what happened. Okay, anyways, can you do that? Whatever I'm saying, that you have to do in the 10 group, 20 group, 30 group. So you have to do it on Facebook as well as on LinkedIn. You can do it, you can share this in your WhatsApp group, you can share this in your blog, you can share this on your email list. So wherever you have the network, you have to go and push that live link to all over the places. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? We will go notification to your friend circle. Yes, it will. When you go live, notification, all the people in your friend circle will get the notification of live. How to localize a reach? So in during that setting up, during when you are setting up your live, there is an option where you can select that in which location you want to go live and which location you can restrict it. While we'll select the location, they will give you city selection or they will give you radius selection. So there you can select the radius selection. So as Noida sector 73, 20 kilometer or 10 kilometer, or you can select entire Noida or entire UP. So that way you can localize. Create, attract, monetize. Any other questions? I have seen people going live from Zoom webinar. How to achieve that? Yes, if you want to go using Zoom, for that, go and create Facebook event. Go and create Facebook event. And in the Facebook event, rather than selecting Facebook live, select the live from different tools and give the Zoom link there. So here you can create a event link. Can you see that? Create event, go online or in person. You can select online. If you want to go live using Zoom, so for that, general event or classes, schedule live classes or interactive session, add a event details, cover photo and choose your audience. This you can go, right? Here you can give the event name and you can set up the privacy. And when you go, let's suppose I'm saying launch your personal brand website. So this is the event name. Brand website in 3 days, right? So I can decide the time. Let's suppose I'm deciding it time for tomorrow, 14, and start time is, let's suppose tomorrow we are conducting a Zoom session, and here tomorrow 8 a.m. So tomorrow 8 a.m. Privacy, I'm making it public. All right, go to the next. And now, how you want to conduct? Messenger, Facebook Live, external, others, external link. Select the external link, right? And here you will enter the Zoom link. Sima got that? Here you will enter the Zoom link. So let's suppose we have this Zoom link. We are using the same Zoom link every day. I can copy this Zoom link. And here I can paste the Zoom link. And then I can go to the next. And here I will write the descriptions. Okay, tomorrow we are going to discuss different topic. Yes, it's not the launch website. Tomorrow we will have a different topic. So I'm not writing the description, but you can go next and launch it. And then when you will conduct, you are conducting on the Facebook, but using Zoom. Okay, so here again, I'm exceeding the time limit. So I have taken care of all of your questions related to live, and one of the Gurumukh sir has asked me to share the format which I have decided. So let me share the format of the current session. Like जो अभी हम लोग morning में ले रहे हैं, I want it to be more structured and more valuable. कि कम से कम टाइम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीजें हम लोग कैसे कर पाएं, उसके लिए I have created few pointers that how we will go about it. I have just jotted down the ideas and I will try to execute it. Yes. Thank you. Most welcome, Seema. So whenever you are asking question in the public, it's really, really going to help other people. So I always encourage that end of the session, we will have a question answers. So you can keep asking the questions, but I will answer those questions at the end of the session only. And we can see, so daily free session format, this is the format I'm planning, right? So mindset, we will walk towards mindset for a few minutes. So because I personally feel mindset plus tool set is equal to skill set. So mindset, we will always start our day with the mindset. So you must have the right mindset to use the tool set and be skillful. So we will talk about mindset. In the mindset, I will give you a kind of challenge. Like today we have discussed about you have to take action on your idea. Someday we will discuss about write your gratitude, write your successes, write your. So I will do challenge you. I will set the intention for the day. This entire day you have to challenge yourself to execute that mindset, right? Okay, so this is the second thing we will discuss. Third thing, whatever is the learning of the topic, because here you are here to learn this skill set. It is, I am forcing you the mindset, isn't it? You are not here to learn the mindset. You are here to learn the digital marketing. So the major portion of the session will go to the digital marketing. Learning of the day, so like Facebook Live or lead generations or YouTube videos, or I will collect all the topics. I will try, I'm collecting at least 52 topics on the digital media, and we will right now I'm planning for 52 topics. So 52 topics means one topic in a week. So Facebook entire 1 week, YouTube entire 1 week, website creation entire 1 week, like SEO 1 week, email marketing 1 week, podcasting 1 week, LinkedIn 1 week, Pinterest 1 week, Instagram 1 week. So we will have, I am planning to have 52 weeks of the topic. And in that one topic will be like 1 week time, we will give to one topic, right? And in every day, I will give you some learning, as well as I will ask your commitment to take action on that learning. You have to commit that you are taking action on that learning. Let's suppose today I'm challenging you, okay, you have to go and do the live for 1 minute. All of you, I want your commitment that you have to go live 1 minute. Feel the fear, do it anyway. Stop stopping you, take the action. This is the mantra for the day. Yes, Seema is saying, I commit. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Who else are committing to going live? आज कितने लोग live जाएंगे? Don't, perfect time नहीं आएगा. Today I haven't planned to go live, but yes, I have gone. So थोड़ा बहुत का presentable हो, idea है, and it's social media is all about casual. Social media is all about it's a social gathering. आप शादी में जाते हैं और ऑफिस में जाते हैं, अप्रोच डिफरेंट होता है. तो सोशल मीडिया इज अबाउट आप शादी में गए हैं. It's nothing. If I'm flapping or I'm doing any mistakes, it's perfectly fine. I'm not giving interview. I'm not. I'm adding value. I'm serving to the. I'm trying to add more information to the people. It's so perfectly fine if I'm doing little bit of mistake. मेरी English थोड़ी गड़बड़ हो गई. It's fine. It's okay. Right. Right. Thank you so much, Sonam. You continue coming. So we will plan for. I will ask for your commitment to take action, and to next day we will see that how many people have taken the action. And because so many people are here, how many of you are looking for job here? Because I am getting so much of responses who is looking for job or who want my help, that how can help him to in finding the job. Version 1 is better than version none, right? Very nice. So here I will try I will dedicate a email ID or WhatsApp group or Telegram group. I will dedicate one platform where if you are looking for candidate, you can share that. आप में से बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो जॉब खोज रहे होंगे, बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो एम्प्लॉय खोज रहे होंगे. I'm sure anyone have this from this category, job provider or job seekers. If you are a job provider, write job provider. If you are a job seekers, write job seekers. Anyone? Kisan Bali, job seeker. Nice. Yes, I can help in Maharashtra even now. So Seema is job provider. Now can you see the match? Kisan is saying job seeker and Seema is saying I can provide you the job. So we as a group, as a like community, I will create two platforms where one platform will be dedicated. Whenever you have a job opening, you can drop a message in that. And whenever a candidate is ready to serve, let's suppose Kishan is saying, okay, I am a job seeker, I can help you to generate lead. So how many of you want to hire Kisan if Kisan can generate qualified lead for you? Because I can see that Kisan is contributing in the Kisan is contributing in lead generation. He has good knowledge about lead generation. Okay, list has 9 items. So number 3 is missing. Please add one. Okay, I will add one. I will sure add. This is the structured. Again, I say this is only the idea आया and I have taken the action. आइडिया आया और मैंने उस आइडिया को राइटिंग में लिखा एंड उस आइडिया को मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. सो डू यू फील दिस इज द व्हाट आई हैव. यहाँ जब मैं आइडिया लिख रही थी तभी मेरे दिमाग में आया कि अगर ये आइडिया मेरे पास बहुत पहले भी आ चुका था. आई हैव नॉट टेकन द एक्शन. So this time I am determined to take the action, and the first action I have taken is written my thoughts. I have penned down my thoughts, and second action I'm sharing it with you, right? And third action, I will take your feedback and I will plan for 2 platforms where you can post your job openings and you can post your skills. Kisan can post the skills and Seema can post that what kind of candidates Seema is looking for. And I will take 5 minutes time to announce all the job openings, and I will talk about all the candidates who is looking for job. So this is one thing I want to do. And I will do candidate, whoever is looking for announcement, like who is like Kisan can share that his CV, and I will just brief about his CV because I can see him contributing on lead magnet or lead generation and all those things. So I can understand his potential and share about it. And then I will invite you to join my tribe, and you can ask questions. And if you have any benefit, any of you have any benefit, I will give you opportunity to share your success story here. 1 minute, 2 minutes. If you are getting a single benefit from this session, you can share that how this session is benefiting you, so that other people can get the inspiration and take the action to take the action to become a success as well. So, and then I'm also planning for a reward, most participative or success stories or action takers or change makers. That kind of, I'm also planning for a reward. So this is the format I have decided for the free session, which I will most likely, I will do the trial on your group, but the more structured way I will launch in the July group. Is it good? Okay, Kisan, you can show me the resume and punishment. Okay, punishment. Okay, you guys are smart enough. I'm not going to punish you. Continuous learning implementation. Yes. And I want to complete it within 60 minutes. I want to complete all these. It's a like to the point, exactly what we have to know, no extra talk, and to the point. And I want to conclude everything in 1 hour. That is punishment. One Cadbury. If you will not continue the session, then will be the punishment. Okay. If you want to add something in that, you can add something in that as well. And also my son has created one logo for this tribe. Let me see, let me show you that logo. We have, my son has come up with a logo. So this is the logo my son has created for this Digital Seekers tribe. How is it? Okay. One is in black and one is in white. So I'm planning for, and I will structure all the learning in 3 steps: create, attract, and monetize. The entire structure will be on 3 steps: create digital presence, attract traffic, and monetize that traffic. This is the journey you have to go through during this session.
Can you show that logo once again, madam?
Okay, sure. Yes. So he said that this is the sign of internet, like because I have shared my vision कि इंटरनेट पे डिजिटल मीडियम पे किसी को कुछ भी सीखना हो, my future plan is कि कुछ भी सीखना हो डिजिटल मीडियम पे, if you are a seeker, this is the right place to be. Whether you want to learn calligraphy or any, I'm planning for one dedicated session to interview all the knowledge provider, all the skills provider. There I will take an interview for all the people who have a specific kind of knowledge. For example, Shima can share about Instagram variability, and someone can share about calligraphy or painting or any kind of. So it's not about the digital right now. I'm talking about 2 years down the line, 5 years down the line. So this is my vision that the internet पे कोई भी knowledge skills लेना हो तो first step go and broad knowledge आप यहाँ से ले लो and deep जाने के लिए courses कर लो. Broad knowledge should be available free of cost. So I will planning for that. So he said that this is internet, and here this is the community. So that's why Digital Seekers community. This is the thought he has shared with me, why you have gone with this sign. And green color, I have suggested him, I want to go for the green color. As per astrology, I have decided that green color is my one of the lucky colors, so I should go for green color. Okay. So give me one session on demonstrate his skill. Give him one session. Oh, he is fantastic. He is launching his own course. You might be surprised. He is launching his own course. He is launching his own course. Use green pen. He is launching his own course on video creation, video editing and video creation. He has उन्होंने उसने अपने आप को वो किया हुआ है. हाउ ओल्ड ही इज, ही इज इन क्लास 11th. 10th का एग्जाम हुआ नहीं, तो विदाउट 10th किए हुए वो 11th में, मतलब रिजल्ट आने वाला है. ही इज इन क्लास 12, 11th, अभी 11th में है, एंड ही इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर मेडिकल. सो इज 16 year old, मेडिकल नीट की तैयारी कर रहा है, NEET मेडिकल डॉक्टर बनने वाला है. एंड आई एम श्योर वो बनेगा, बिकॉज उसने अपना 11th का पढ़ाई खत्म कर लिया, 12th का पढ़ाई खत्म कर लिया, एंड रिवाइजिंग इट थ्रू द बैजू, रिवाइजिंग इट थ्रू द अनअकैडमी, daily doing lot of on an average every day 50 to 100 questions वो daily करता है. So like I'm sure he will do good, he will crack the NEET as well, because बहुत advance उसने planning शुरू कर दी है, बहुत ज़्यादा advance. वो मतलब 8th से वो पढ़ाई कर रहा है. जब वो 8th में था तब उसने 9th 10th खत्म कर लिया था, और 9th 10th में आते आते उसने 11th 12th खत्म कर लिया. So where his okay, he has also launched the EdSera. एक वहाँ पे last time उसने 3rd 4th 5th के लिए साइंस का पूरा कोर्स बनाया था, और अभी वो वीडियो एडिटिंग का, बिकॉज पूरा वीडियो कोर्स बनाया था तो उसको वीडियो में बहुत इंटरेस्ट आने लगा. So he has launched his planning to launch his own video editing course. Okay, fair. बहुत सारी चीजें बता दी मैंने उसका. Here you can see. I mean, why I'm sharing? I'm not sharing to impress. I'm sharing it कि अगर 14-15 साल का बच्चा कर सकता है तो क्यों हम लोग क्यों नहीं कर सकते? सब लोग कर सकते हैं. It's only he is the massive action taker. He is massive action taker. उसको कुछ आइडिया दे दो और उसको फिर रात में नींद नहीं आती है. वो जब तक उस पर काम नहीं करेगा तब तक वो उसको मतलब he will not find satisfaction. So he is action taker. The best thing about him is he is action taker. So this is the course this is the course he is talking about. मतलब ये कोर्स जो है वो इसमें वो वीडियो एडिटिंग की बात करता है. इसमें he has launched himself as a, I think something he's called himself. Okay, video expression coach. Video expression coach. Yesterday he has created this video. Video Expression Academy. He is launching Video Expression Academy, and he's term like अपने आप को बोलता है I am a video expression coach. I will help people to express himself through the video. So anyways, thank you so much. So can we conclude the thank you so much, Anil. Thank you so much for your blessings and wishes. I am so blessed. I'm so blessed to have this community, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Seema. So tomorrow we will think about one more way to do lead generation on Facebook. Facebook पे एक और तरीका lead generation का, free of cost, fantastic way, very similar to today's, but tomorrow we will discuss one more way for the lead generation on the Facebook. Do you feel कि आज का जो एक्शन हमने लिया, लाइव करेंगे, लाइव के लिंक को सब जगह शेयर करेंगे, और जो एक्शन है उस एक्शन में हम लोग लीड जनरेशन का एक्शन डालेंगे. राइट नाउ आई हैव नॉट गिवन द लिंक. I might have given my webinar link. I might have given my free webinar link, or I might have given my website link. I might have given my link where people can take the action. So if you are asking people to take the action, do you feel you are going to get some result? Yes. So this way it's one creation, massive promotion. One creation, massive promotion. This is the process we will follow. Create, attract, monetize. क्रिएट एक बार करना है, और उसको प्रमोट और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट और एडवर्टीजमेंट उसकी बहुत करनी है, और तब मोनेटाइजेशन होगा. राइट. ओके, नाइस. वन क्रिएशन, मैसिव प्रमोशन. वन क्रिएशन, मैसिव प्रमोशन. एक आर्टिकल लिखा, 1000 प्लेसेस पे आप उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो. एक वीडियो क्रिएट किया, 1 लाख प्लेसेस पे आप उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो. तो क्रिएशन के बाद दैट इज द बिग बिजनेसेस आर डूइंग. एक बार उसने क्लोजअप टूथपेस्ट बना लिया, और अब क्लोजअप टूथपेस्ट एवरी सिंगल वन इज कंज्यूमिंग इट. तो जो बिजनेसेस हैं वो एवरी डे नई नई चीजें नहीं बनाते हैं. एक प्रोडक्ट बनाया और उसी प्रोडक्ट के लिए से वो पूरी लाइफ इनकम लेते हैं. तो योर क्रिएशन इज योर प्रोडक्ट. ट्रीट योर क्रिएशन एज अ प्रोडक्ट. अब उस क्रिएशन से आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग फायदा लेना है. सो वन मोर, यहाँ पे एक चीज और मैं शेयर करूंगी कि जब व्हेन यू आर गोइंग ऑन द सोशल मीडिया और ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म, यूज द यूनिवर्सल कंसेप्ट. बिकॉज जब आप यूनिवर्सल चीजें बात करते करते हैं, तो डजेंट मैटर आज हो या 10 साल के बाद हो, जो यूनिवर्सल प्रिंसिपल्स हैं वो हमेशा रहेंगे, यूनिवर्सल प्रिंसिपल्स हमेशा रहेंगे. तो व्हेन यू आर ऑन लाइव सेशन, try to talk about the concept, try to talk about the principles, try to talk about the that which is valid, which is good for like social media पे अगर अगले 100 साल तक भी रहे तो वो उतना ही वैलिड हो, ऐसा इंफॉर्मेशन आप सोशल मीडिया पे शेयर करें, that will be good idea. Right. Okay, make an event on the Facebook page to join tomorrow on the Facebook live. I will try. I will share the Facebook live. I will create a Facebook event and I will share the do the Facebook event through the Zoom. I will share in the group. Okay. Okay. Can we conclude the session for the day? Yes. Nice. Thank you. Hello, can ask. Okay, Sonam, yes, you can ask. Okay, just give me 1 second. Sonam is asking one question. Sonam, just let's please ask. Unmute yourself and ask. If you are not able to write, you can just unmute yourself and ask.
मैम एक्चुअली जैसे मैंने वो वेबसाइट बनाई है और वेबसाइट का बाद में थीम चेंज करके दोबारा से उसे रिडिजाइन किया है, तो क्या हमें दोबारा से गूगल एनालिटिक्स का कोड लगाना पड़ेगा या फिर हमें उसी कोड को रिफ्रेश करना पड़ेगा?
Whenever you are changing theme on your website, it might be possible your Google Analytics code get removed. Theme आप change करते हो, header change हो जाता है. पिछली बार आपने header में अगर Analytics code डाला होगा तो हट गया होगा. अगर Google Tag Manager से डाला होगा तो नहीं हटता है. उस केस में केवल Google Tag Manager का change करना पड़ता है. So what you can do, you can go to your Google Analytics account, go and check your real time stats. Real time stats में जाके check करो और रियल टाइम स्टैट्स में, और साथ में अपनी वेबसाइट को अपने मोबाइल पे या अपने लैपटॉप पे कहीं पे खोल लो एंड सी दैट कि रियल टाइम स्टैट्स में इज इट गेटिंग रिपोर्टेड. अगर मोबाइल पे वेबसाइट खुली है और रियल टाइम स्टैट्स में वो विजिट दिखा रहा है, तब तो यानी कि तुम्हारा कोड इंस्टॉल्ड है एंड एक्टिव है. अगर तुमने वेबसाइट खोली हुई है लेकिन रियल टाइम में वो कोई रिपोर्टिंग नहीं हो रही है, इसका मतलब है कि आपकी वेबसाइट में कोड सही से या तो डला नहीं है या इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. So in that case, you have to place code again. One way, another way कि आप Google Analytics में जाओ, जो कोड है उसका एक होता है यूनिवर्सल UA करके एक नंबर होता है, एक नंबर को कॉपी करके go to your website कोड, वेबसाइट का कंट्रोल U करके आप बैकग्राउंड में कोड देख लो and see that कि वो एनालिटिक्स का कोड आपकी वेबसाइट में है या नहीं है. So both way you can check. If code is not there, go and install it again. Got that?
ये ओके मैम. एक चीज बता देंगे, हम नॉर्मली में ये जानना होता है कि हाउ टू अगेन इंस्टॉल दिस कोड.
Okay.
If we have the created account on Google Analytics with that same website,
I will share
change
it. I will share in the upcoming session. Make it a note. I will share in the most likely tomorrow. I will show you how to do that. Right?
Or in a simple way, madam, can she ask one of their friend to log in and she can cross check with analytics?
Right. The same. Yes. The same thing. You can use the mobile or desktop or a friend or anyone you can ask to open your website and see the stats in the analytics real time में. Real time जो last 30 minutes का data report होता है, वो 30 minutes का data में आप जाके देखोगे कि वो जो visit है वो reflect हो रही है कि नहीं. That means the code is working. Right? So yes, I will share the recording of the session, Sonam, where I have shown you. There you can just follow the steps, or I will try to share in the session sometime in upcoming, because right now I can understand it's not very much relevant to all entire group, but I'm make sure that I'm going to show you how to install it. Right? Done for the day?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Nice. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow at 8. And आज का हमने 4 मिनट पहले close किया. So I'm progressing. Progress is key. Perfection is myth. Thank you.